Excel spreadsheets are a great way to compile a large amount of data. However, there may be an occasion where you only need to print a portion of your spreadsheet. In this week's quick tip, I'm going to show you how to define your print area in Excel. Let's take a look. If you want to print just a portion of your Excel worksheet, you can define a print area that includes just that selection. On the worksheet, select the cells that you want to define as the print area. In the Page Layout tab on the top toolbar, click Print Area and then Set Print Area. Your print area is now set. If you would like to set multiple print areas in the same document, hold down the Control key and click the areas you want to print. Once you've chosen your areas, follow the same steps to set the print area. Each print area will print on its own page. To see all the print areas that have been set in the top toolbar, choose View and then Page Break Preview. You can also add adjacent cells to an existing print area. In the workbook, select the cells you want to add to the existing print area. On the Page Layout tab, click Print Area and then click Add to Print Area. Finally, to clear a print area on the Page Layout tab, select Print Area and then clear Print Area. All print areas in the worksheet have now been removed. Thanks for watching. Tune in next week for another great quick tip.